Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer product data from Zendrop to Shopify. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer product data from Zendrop to Shopify, begin by logging into your Zendrop account. Once logged in, navigate to the Products section on the left-hand menu. Here, you will see a list of all the products currently available in your Zendrop catalog. Select the products you wish to transfer by checking the boxes next to each item. After selecting the desired products, look for an option that says Export or Download CSV. Click that option to download a CSV file containing the product data. Next, log into your Shopify account in a new tab. In your Shopify dashboard, go to the Products section from the left menu. On the Products page, locate and click on the Import button. This will prompt you to upload a CSV file. Select the CSV file you downloaded from Zendrop. Before proceeding, ensure the product data in the CSV file matches Shopify's required formatting. If adjustments are needed, you can edit the CSV file in a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets. Once the formatting is correct, return to the Shopify import prompt. Click on the Upload File button to begin the import process. After the upload is complete, review the information on the next page. Make sure all product details are accurately displayed. If everything looks good, confirm the import by clicking on the Import Products button. Wait for the import to finish. This may take a few moments depending on the number of products. Once the process is complete, navigate back to the Products page in your Shopify dashboard. Here, you will find all the products imported from Zendrop. Review them to ensure all details, such as titles, descriptions, prices. Finally, you can start organizing and customizing your new products in your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.